Hello everyone, my name is Dharmesh and I am from Sari, Gujarat. I have done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Nepal, and I have worked around 1.5 years in mechanical domain. And from that time, I realized that the data science is the future, so I tried to change my career path. And I came to know regarding the AlmaBetter data science program, and I enrolled myself. And as of now, I am working as a data engineer at LatentView Analytics in Chennai. The primary reason was for me to choose to AlmaBetter was to their pay after placement model, as it provides a risk-free learning environment to all. Like you can learn and you have to pay after getting the placement from them. That's a good thing about AlmaBetter. AlmaBetter's placement program is one of the best program options available as of now. As of in my time, I have get multiple interviews from them. Currently, as of now, in starting phase, I wasn't able to give proper interview. They also support the they also provide me also rigorous training based on mock interview, so that we can get used to the interviews and all. The feature which made AlmaBetter's curriculum stand out has to be it's a one-on-one mentorship session, which will really help, because the person who is working as a data scientist currently, which will help you to how to proceed for interview, for particular type of question, how to answer them, and which will really help you while you are working in industry, and also and to get guidance from the person who is already working in industry. AlmaBetter qualification, you can get the hands-on experience with the caption project and all. So basically, you will feel like you're working on some industrial project. So it will be a very blissful experience for you. For any other learners, I would say, if you are looking for career change, or want to transform yourself into as a data scientist, then go for the AlmaBetter. You will get all the required knowledge by following the particular curriculum only, and try to implement that knowledge, getting hands-on experience with that. It will definitely help in cracking the job interview.